much more do you want her to cry before you free her from her miseries and from the world of men?
This was not my original plan for her.
What happened to the original plan?
She was supposed to be the most beautiful girl in the world, to be loved and adored by all.
And all that changed, because the world of men is not a perfect place.
Take her now from the world of men.
Oji.
My husband.
I must tell you the truth. I have been thinking. It's like The DBS prediction that our happiness will be cut short is beginning to come to pass.
My husband, I am confused. I am so confused because now I know the meaning of those dreams she had profusely. Now I can feel it. Now I know the meaning of those dreams. Hey, Chimo.
We cannot continue like this. I think there's only one way out. Only one way out. Yes.
I hope you are not thinking of going back to Umuagu. I hope you are not thinking of going back to Umuagu. That same village that placed a curse on our daughter. The same village that made her to be passing what she's passing through today. I hope you don't want us to go back to that place so that she will be used as sacrifice. You want them to use my own daughter as sacrifice? Is that what you want? I am not going back to Umuagu. I am not going back to Umuagu if that is what you are saying. We are not going back there.
Who placed a curse on me? I don't want to use me for sacrifice. I am talking to you, Mama.
Huh? Hey.
So you people knew about my predicament?
No, my daughter, we are not sure. We are not sure.
Not sure about what? That there is a curse on me?
Hey, please calm down. Calm down, Ma. Calm down. I will explain. Please calm down. When you were born, right? That day, darkness overtook the day.
Why are you always worried?
Vivian, why won't I be worried? Why is my case always different? Eh?
Your case is not different. The gods have their reasons and no one questions their decisions. Just be patient. Your wife, Oji, will soon deliver.
Now my question is, how long will a feverish bird shiver in silence in the presence of its keeper?
The gods are not silent to your cry. They always save the best for the last.
Save the best for the last?
Oh yes. Just be patient. You have always been patient all this while.
That was what you said a few months back. Be patient, be patient, be patient.
Just be patient. Be patient.
Yes.
I didn't see you leaving the house. I hope you're okay.
Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. I just went to see the Dibia.
My husband. Not again. I told you not to worry. That all will be well. The God's time is the best. Let's go in, my husband. I have actually prepared your meal. When I came out, I didn't see you.
But Gigi, I'm not hungry. There are things that are more important than food. This condition is giving me sleepless nights. Yes.
My husband, I know.
Oh.
I know, but the God's time is the best. Yes. God's time is the best. We don't have to question them.
Gigi.
My husband.
This is the 13th month since you are carrying this pregnancy. Something that is supposed to be 9 months. But Gigi, don't you think that something is wrong somewhere?
My husband, I know.
Okay.
But the Dibia assured us that the gods will favor us. Yes, and that is the most important thing.
The gods will favor us?
Yes, my husband.
I see. Gods favor us.
Let's go inside. I've actually prepared it.
It's okay. Is that right? Let's go.
Hurry up, oh, hurry up. Hey.
Shoma, what's it? What about?
I say you should call me Mama Gozie. I say you should call me Mama Gozie. Call me Mama Gozie. Go, Mama Gozie. Go, Mama Gozie. Go, Mama Gozie.
Go as fast as you can.
Yes.
Tell her my
Go,
wife
go.
to come with you. Quickly.
Go.
Hold it. Hold it. Mama Gozie is coming.
Hey.
Hold it, Ngozi is coming.
Our ancestors, where have we gone wrong?
Nduka.
Onye, who is that? Wise one, you are welcome to my house. Hey, you see, like you have always told me that I should be patient. My ancestors have done it.
Yes, they have done it in their own way. They have reasons for everything, and we should never question their decision.
I now know that. I know it now.
Ndoka.
Yes.
You and Oji, your wife, should meet me with the child.
Okay, no problem. We will do that. We will do that.
Ndoka, the gods have a message for you to understand and accept concerning the changes that took place today. The sudden darkness which occurred when your child was delivered was not a coincidence. The longer period she stayed in the womb before she was delivered was also another sign from the gods.
So, what are you saying?
Your child is from the gods. Your child is not ordinary and must not live among mankind. Therefore, shall be sacrificed in the next Ekebake day.
Libya, you see, I have not had cause to doubt you or doubt your words before. But you see, in this one, I think you're wrong. If a child must die after birth, then why can't the gods prevent that child from coming out to the world in the first place? Why?
Ndoka, the gods wants you to understand and accept this message. That will make them to pave way for you to have more children. Accept this message the way it is from them.
Dibia, I think if I stand here and continue to listen to you, I will do something very bad.
Ndoka. The stubborn fly always enters into the grave with the corpse. Ndoka. I will advise you don't resist the gods. Because if you do so, Ndoka, your happiness will be short-lived, and sorrow shall becloud your home.
My husband, I cannot just sit down here and allow them take away my baby from me. You have to do something. You have to do something.
Oji, you talk too much. You talk too much. Let me think.
Then you have to think fast. My husband, you have to think fast. You know that the baby does not give up on anything. He doesn't give up.
Yes. Yes. We will go to Munze. I have a friend there. We will be there until we have a better plan.
My husband, Munze is not far from here. They will find us. They can find us there.
They will not find us, Oji. They won't. They won't find us. Please, get in there and unpack your things. Take the baby off. You go.
Then why are you still seated?
Oji,
why are you still seated?
I will join you on the way, please. I can sense their presence. Any moment from now, they will be here. Please.
I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere without you. I am not going anywhere.
Please, I will join you.
I am not going.
Get up, get up. Get up, go and take this baby away. Get up.
Bring me the child.
You speak of this child as if she is yours. Anyway, I do not know where she is.
You, go in there, search and bring that child. You, join him.
The child is not in there, DPI.
Ndoka, You don't know what you have brought upon yourself by hiding them. You have brought upon yourself more pains than you have ever experienced. Your joy and happiness will be short-lived. As for her, the ugly experiences that will befall her, she would wish she was never born, and every blame will come to you.
No, wise one. You and the gods would take the blame. You knew how long I waited for this girl to come. Now she's here. You and the gods want to deny me the joy of fatherhood. No.
You dare question the gods, Ndoka.
It's because the gods have taken a wrong decision. I have to question it.
This word is a word from a foolish man. You have acted foolishly, Ndoka. When the nemesis comes, I will not be there to help you.
I do not need your help anymore, wise one.
Humble gods of our land, what do I owe this sudden visit?
Find the child. Find the child. Before another hand touches her. Another hand touches her.
I have tried my best to stop them. But you know, humans are curious about your decisions. I believe your definite powers will be of great help to avert the curse on her.
I cannot offer sacrifice to myself. It is the duty of humans. It is the duty of humans. Please me. Find the child. Find the child. Find the child. Find the child. Find the child.
What do I do?
There shall be no cry of a baby in the kingdom. Until the father which belongs to me.
We have tried. How do I go about this? What do I do? What do I do now? Huh?
You see, that was how we came to Umuze. Eh?
I guess the petition is coming to pass. I am a child of tears and sorrow. I belong to the gods. I must not live among mankind.
Yeah, my daughter, please, all hope. You see, that is why I said all hope is not lost. Let us go back to Nwaoye. Placate the gods, remove the curse, avert the cause of whatever. You see?
Hey, hi. Hey, husband.
Ma, please stop crying. Everything will be okay. If appeasing the gods will solve these problems and bring back your joy, I suggest you go with them.
Will it bring back Ugo or Madu? 2 people have died because of me.
Don't blame yourself. The gods are to blame. If a child is born and only to die as a sacrificial lamb, then what is the joy of motherhood?
Can human question the will of the gods?
It looks stupid. But sometimes one needs to question the gods, even if it's rhetorical. Even if you will get no reply.
That is senseless.
Mama, please, it's okay. Please.
Ndoka, you and your household offended the gods. And I have caused a whole lot of mayhem in this kingdom. But you fail to understand that no man can run away from his shadow. Nobody can avert the will of the gods.
Dibia, that is why we are here. We have come to appease the gods.
To appease the gods? Yes. Is she the child?
Yes, she is the child. But we have come to appease the gods so that the curse will be averted.
Avert which curse, Ndoka? Ndoka, mortals don't decide for the gods. Neither do they choose for the gods. She is of the gods. She must be sacrificed. She is loved the most by the gods.
You lie. Dibia, you lie. You are so wicked and heartless and very wicked. So if given a chance, you will sacrifice my only daughter. Is that what you are saying?
You are only but a woman. Yes. Ndoka, you and your household left this kingdom in pains. This kingdom for years have not had the cry of a newborn baby. This kingdom was faced with sickness, diseases, hunger. Even as we speak, our queen is dying because we did not give the gods what is due to them. She must die. She must be sacrificed. You and your household caused pain to this kingdom. She must be sacrificed.
Okay. Oh, it's all right. Dibia, I think I will need to see the Agwo myself.
You can run, but you cannot hide. The okra plant can never grow taller than the person that planted it. No child can give birth to a first son before his own father.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Thank you. Is anything the matter?
Your Highness, why are you helping me?
I am helping to solve the problems of my kingdom. And when this is over, this palace shall be your home.
My home? As your wife or as your maid?
You shall soon find out. Soon enough, you shall find out.
No one comes to me and leave. 2 have died for my cause. Your Highness, you will not want to be the next victim.
Do you want to be sacrificed? I want to give you a life of peace and happiness.
Peace and happiness is not in my destiny. If it is the will of the gods that I be sacrificed, I will gladly accept my fate.
You are just a kid. Go back to the chambers and relax. I'll talk to you later. Meanwhile, I want to go and see the Dibia, the SMO, I don't want ears to hear about it or anybody to know about it. You heard me?
Okay, Your Highness.
You can go back to and meet your parents. And make sure nobody hears or know about this. Go back to your duty post.
Yes, Your Highness. Who we are supposed to be in this world of men together. I send you ahead of me. I made you the most beautiful girl on earth. To be loved and worshipped by men. But I was wrong. Men are greedy and foolish. When you were born, I noticed the pain you will undergo if left alone on this earth. So I ordered that you be sent back to me through sacrifice. But your worldly guidance is kept with you. So I watch you grow among men, hoping that the world will be a better place for you to live. Then and again, men start to trespass. I am so sorry I made him cry. Don't worry. Very soon we will be together again. I love you and I will always love you.
Your Highness, coming to the shrine to see the chief priest is not in our tradition, not to talk of you walking alone. Or are your guards waiting for you somewhere?
Dibia, I know. But I think there's no one in this kingdom that would like to kill me and become Ago. I am here in respect of Ndoka and the daughter.
That is good. Your Highness, are they ready for the sacrifice?
Dibia, is there no alternative to that? Because sacrificing that girl amount to greater crime.
Your Highness, we are not in any position to decide for the gods. neither are we allowed to choose for the gods. They know their best. She is of the gods.
He think he can give her a better life.
There is no better life in the world of men.
Well, I have an idea. Let me see how this stupid kid is going to give her a better life.
You're going to make another mistake. First, you allowed her into this corrupt world. Now, you want to allow the king to have his way with her.
No.
Your Highness, have eyes ever beheld such beauty she possesses? No. She is not meant to dwell amongst mankind. She is sorrows and tears, Your Highness.
I want to keep her in my palace and come back later in the day to see if we can appease the gods.
Your Highness, if I heard you clearly, you said you will keep her in the palace. As a maid or as a wife, Your Highness?
As you know, I am entitled to as many wives as I can. My wife has been ill for a long time now. Of course, you know what I mean.
I heard you clearly, Your Highness. But the person in question is of the gods. The gods are in love with her. Except you are ready to wrestle with them, which you know will attract the wrath of the gods. And that means death awaits you, Your Highness.
I just want to see how powerful men can be.
We have come to see what we can do to serve this maiden. So please inquire from the gods what it takes to serve this maiden.
Your Highness, onye gbanarị chie n'ọsọ, maọbụ onwe n'ọsọ. Your Highness, why have you decided to challenge the gods? I told you, the gods does not need any other sacrificial item except her. She must be sacrificed to the gods. She is the sacrifice the gods demand.
Dibia, why? Why are you so wicked? I asked you, Dibia. Why are you so wicked, heartless and stupid? Why?
Woman, watch your words. It is not of my will, but that of the gods, that she must be sacrificed. Your husband, your entire household, brought the pains this kingdom is facing today. She must be sacrificed.
If the gods really will that my coming to this earth is to die as a sacrifice, so be it.
Dibia, where's my daughter? Dibia, where's my daughter?
No man can avert the will of the gods. Nobody can avert the will of the gods.
It's